Hey everybody, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. It is, what day is today? Today is Thursday, tomorrow's Friday. I have my very calming Bigelow. I think I bought Lemon. That's Sam now, my other dog who wants to come in. Excuse me a minute. So anyway, like I was saying, I'm not a tea drinker in the morning, but I do like tea. This is the lemon ginger tea. It's not sweet at all. It's by Bigelow, I think. Still on the house hunting journey. I don't even want to talk about it. Don't want to jinx my chances of getting a home. Today was really cold. I had to turn the heat on. We got a lot of rain. It's crazy. My orange tree outside is blooming. It smells so sweet. Anyway, the reason I'm here is I'm going to do a short video. I got notified by some of my friends from City Beauty. You know, ever since I got those City Beauty lip glosses that I fell in love with and the City Beauty mascara. I have been using this. I've been using this like mad. I love this Beyond mascara. I didn't realize how much I missed it, really. I've been using it over all my other mascaras in here because it just really, I don't know, it makes my eyelashes look nice and voluminous and long and uplifted, and it is not clumpy. They almost look like my natural lashes. I really do love this mascara. In the last video, I talked about how much I really love their lip glosses. Now, this is their lip plumping. Yeah, this is the Plumping lip gloss. I use this all the time as a topper on almost all my matte lipsticks. Just love it. They did let me know that I believe March is their birthday month, and that's when they celebrate, and they have sale, and I think they do a buy one, get one free offer, which is great. I think the dates go from March the 19th through to the 22nd. I'm just going to go over some of my favorite lip glosses from them. I really love, like I said, this lip plumping gloss from them. It is so nice. I'm actually going to put it on my lips again. Right now I have on a, lip stain? Lip stain that stains your lips and kind of stays on your lips all day. They get very drying on me, so what I do is I top it off with, and I always get a tissue to wipe this off so I don't kind of dip it back in the container. I always put this on as a topper on these. It just really does a great job of giving me kind of that really glossy look. I just love the way that this lip plumper plumps my lips up. It's just great because it really makes my lips so nice and shiny and healthy. The other thing I like about this plumper is it doesn't run outside my lip line, really hugs. Oh, it just hugs my lip line so nicely. This is one of my favorite lip products from City Beauty. It is just called their Clear Lip Plumping Gloss. And I have a 64-year-old face, guys, okay? So I have lip lines, I have lines around my mouth, I have lines around my lips. It's not that easy making thin old lips look good, but these do. What's nice about these lip glosses is they contain what's called hyaluronic acid spheres. And I'm going to read to you what that is. It says it's a dynamic ingredient that's a super hydrator. After application, the spheres expand to deliver deep hydration and visible plumping to the lips. They also contain something called oligopeptides, and those are a string of amino acids that help to enhance the look of the lip volume by smoothing out the appearance of the lips, and also help with the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles around your lips and make your lips look healthier and younger. Okay, I think I got most of that off my lips. Let's go with the next lighter shade so it makes it easier. This is another lip plumping gloss, and this one is called Tinsel Town, I believe. Yeah. Now this one, I can use this one alone, and I'll show you what it looks like alone, but I do prefer it more. You can see it has just a slight, it's almost like the clear, but just has a slight pink shift to it. But I do prefer this mainly as a topper. My lips are darker, so let me just let you see what this looks like on top of my lips. Very pretty. And it does add just kind of a pink shift to your lips, but they make your lips look so beautiful. Really like that. I also like to use this as a topper on a kind of a pink lipstick, maybe to tone it down a little bit. So let's say I'm going to use this lipstick and I want to kind of tone it down. So I'll put this on. All right, now this to me, I love it, but it's a little 90-ish to me, 90s. I like to use this Tinsel Town because it does kind of have that little bit of a pink shift to it, and it helps to tone down some of the sparkle. Is that so pretty? I just love it. So this is Tinsel Town, and these are cruelty-free, which is also great. Another one that if you had watched that previous video of mine, you would have seen that I really liked also. And this is San Diego. It's kind of I don't know, it kind of almost reminds me of the sky when it's kind of a pinkish at sunset. So this is Tinsel Town right here. And then San Diego's darker. You can see that right under it. So Tinsel Town, San Diego right there. So pretty. If you have young lips, they make your lips look better. And if you have old lips, they make your lips look better. I cannot stop raving about these. And then one other one that you might have seen, and then I'll show you the other one that you might not have seen. So I know that sounds confusing, but let me get this off. And this one's a little bit more dramatic. This one is crimson, I believe. Yes, and I do not wear this unless I have kind of no eyeshadow on. I either do up my eyeshadow and wear a very light colored gloss, or I will only wear no eyeshadow with just my mascara and do a slightly darker gloss like this one. But like I said, this is crimson. Tinsel Town, San Diego, and then crimson is there. You can see how much darker crimson is than the other two. You really only need to dip this in here one time and you will get plenty of gloss. Look at that. The shine that this gives your lips is just so pretty. Okay, you're gonna have to excuse my appearance in this last clip because I packed away most of my makeup, like my eyebrow liner, my mascara. A lot of my makeup is packed because I am moving. I will discuss that in another video, but I am moving to a new home. We did get a new house. That'll be discussed in one of my future videos, but I have 3 more lip products I did want to show you that I don't think I've ever shown on my channel before. This one is called Tokyo Kiss. It's very pretty. I mean, you can wear this alone, which I do like to wear alone, or you could wear it as a topper. And get that to focus on my iPhone. There you go. That's Tokyo Kiss. And I'll show you what that looks like on. And if you wanted to, you could put a lip liner on with this. But it's very pretty, and I think it really helps to plump up your lips. Tokyo Kiss. And I have 2 more to go. The next one is called Los Angelips. Los Angelips, nice lightish pink gloss. And let me compare it to Tokyo Kiss. Tokyo Kiss right here, and then Los Angelips is below it. There we go. I think you can see the difference. Los Angelips has a little bit more of a pinky tone to it. So let me put this on bare lips. This is a great topper also. Very, very pretty. I mean, like I said, these are really pretty alone or on top of another lip product. Okay, so that is Los Angelips. And then the last one I have to show you is a little bit darker. It's called Plum Springs. This is what it looks like. It's beautiful. And I'm going to compare it to the other 2 glosses. I'll put it right here so you can see that is definitely a darker shade. I would not personally use this as a topper. I would use this all by itself. Plum Springs. I love these names. Okay, so let me put this one on for you. And you could, if you wanted to, use a lip liner, but a lot of times I don't. I love the little doe foot applicators they have too. They're nice and long, and they pick up a good little scoop of product. A lot of times you only need one little dip into the container, and that's all you need to cover all your lips. The outside of my mouth, you're gonna have to excuse. It's a little red from rubbing so much. That's Plum Springs. Very pretty. And last but not least, the next shade I'm going to show you is one I like to use when I do have eyeshadow on. So maybe I will put a little bit of eyeshadow on just to kind of give you the feel of what it's like. This one is called Pink Nude. Kind of a pinky concealer-ish look. Put that right there. So that's Tinsel Town here, Crimson, San Diego, and Pink Nude. It's really a beautiful kind of warm pink shade. This gives you kind of that very sexier, milky, creamy looking, kind of on the concealer side lip. That is so pretty. I mean, obviously, if you wanted to, you could put a lip liner on with this. If you really wanted to define your lips. City Beauty Lip Plumping Glosses are great. My favorite lip glosses. They look beautiful on your lips and they're good for your lips. Very hydrating. It's their birthday month this month. They're celebrating buy one, get one free. Of course, my dogs are chiming in at the very end of this video. The sale dates are March 19th through the 22nd. It is a buy one, get one free on all City Lips shades. Free US shipping on orders $75 or more. 60-day money-back guarantee, but you will not want to give them back. I guarantee it. Coupon code is GLOSSUP. GLOSS up. I will leave my link for this down in my description box. It is an affiliate link, guys. You don't have to use it if you don't want to use it, but I'll put it down there in case you want to use it. Just saying, it's down there. And what else? And this is important. This is how it works. You must add 2 of the City Lips glosses in your cart before the coupon code will work. Don't just put 1 gloss in there and then put the code in and say, why am I not seeing the discount? You have to have 2 glosses in your cart, and then you can use the Gloss Up coupon code to get the buy one, get one free. This is a great deal if you are a City Beauty Lips lover. I don't know why you wouldn't be. I love them. And let's see if there's anything else. Oh, I think they also say from March 28th through March 31st. They're also going to have, I think, a $35 only sale on, I don't know some of these products, so I'm just going to list them in case you guys use them and like them. They're going to have a $35 only sale on new concentrated youth serum, on their line smoothing hydro mask, on their Blue Defense hydrogel, on their dermal reset exfoliating concentrate, on their lid lifting treatment, on their microbiome night mask, on their body sculpt firming complex, and on their City Lips and Lash bundle. No coupon needed on those. That goes from March 28th through March 31st. I think I said everything I wanted to say. I will put all the information for this down in my description box. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.